A mysterious acronym, Q-star, has been making headlines recently. This enigma is tied to the abrupt dismissal of OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman. In the world of artificial intelligence, such a development is sure to set tongues wagging and keyboards clattering. Altman, a prominent figure in the tech industry, found himself at the center of an unexpected controversy. His ousting from OpenAI, a leading AI research organization, has sparked numerous theories and conjectures. The reason? A cryptic project known as Q-star. References to Q-star have been found across the internet, from tech blogs to academic forums. Some say it's a breakthrough in AI technology, while others claim it's a harbinger of a new era of artificial general intelligence. Yet, the specifics remain shrouded in mystery. Several sources, including Reuters and Forbes, have covered the story, adding fuel to the speculative fire. The reports raise questions about the motives of OpenAI's former CEO and the drama surrounding his departure. Allegedly, Altman's dismissal was precipitated by a letter from staff researchers warning of a powerful AI discovery. This revelation, known as Q-star, has been described as a potential step towards achieving artificial general intelligence. However, the truth remains elusive. The OpenAI board denies receiving any letter about the breakthrough and claims that research progress did not play a role in Altman's firing. Yet, the rumors persist and the intrigue deepens. As the dust settles, we delve deeper into the potential theories about what Q-star could be. Is it the next leap in AI technology, or is it merely a smokescreen for corporate intrigue? Stay with us as we unravel the mystery of Q-star. One theory is that Q-star refers to an advanced form of Q-learning. So let's delve a little deeper into the concept of Q-learning. In the world of artificial intelligence, specifically in the realm of reinforcement learning, Q-learning plays a pivotal role. It's a method where AI learns to make decisions through a process that's akin to trial and error. This is where the Q in Q-learning comes into play. It stands for quality, and the AI, or the agent, estimates the quality of different action state combinations. Think of it as a game of chess. The AI is the chess player, the board is the environment, and each move is an action. The AI assesses the quality of each potential move, considering the current state of the board and the potential future states that each move could lead to. It's a dynamic process, continuously adapting and learning from each move, each decision. Now imagine this process amplified and enhanced. That's what an advanced form of Q-learning could potentially offer. The ability to make more sophisticated decisions, to adapt more fluidly to changing conditions, to learn and evolve with a level of autonomy that pushes the boundaries of what we currently understand AI to be capable of. If Q-star represents a breakthrough in Q-learning, the implications could be far-reaching. It could signify a leap in AI's ability to learn and adapt autonomously in complex environments, resolving a whole new set of problems. We could be on the cusp of a new era in AI evolution, one that could change the game entirely. But as with all advancements, it's not without its challenges. We'll explore those in later scenes. For now, let's revel in the possibilities of what Q-star could be and what it could mean for the future of AI. Another theory suggests Q-star could be related to the Q algorithm in the Maryland Refutation Proof Procedure System, also known as MRPPS. This system is a real gem in the crown of artificial intelligence. The Q algorithm is a methodology used in theorem proving within AI, particularly in question answering systems. Imagine this. You pose a question to an AI, and it sifts through its vast knowledge base to find a suitable answer. This is a common process we've all witnessed with tools like Siri and Alexa. But what if the question is complex, layered, or ambiguous? That's where the Q algorithm steps in. The Q algorithm is designed to handle complex questions that require a deeper understanding of context, relationships, and abstract concepts. It's not about simply retrieving a pre-recorded answer. Instead, the algorithm uses logic and reasoning to derive an answer from the information it has. It's like having a seasoned detective inside your AI, piecing together clues to solve the mystery of your question. So how does this relate to Q is indeed an advanced form of the Q algorithm? It could mean a substantial leap forward in how AI systems answer questions. It could mean AI systems that don't just regurgitate information, but understand and interpret it. An AI that can delve into the nuances of our questions and provide thoughtful, contextually accurate answers. This theory suggests Q-star might revolutionize how AI systems answer complex questions. Instead of asking, what is the capital of France, we could be asking, what is the socio-economic impact of France's capital on the country? And actually get a meaningful answer. If this is true, the implications are enormous, and we might be on the cusp of witnessing a significant evolution in artificial intelligence. Now, wouldn't that be something? A key aspect of Q** is its rumored ability to solve mathematical problems. Now you might be thinking, why is that such a big deal? My calculator can do that. But let's consider the difference between knowing and understanding. It's one thing for a machine to tell you that 2 + 2 = 4, but it's quite another for it to understand why that is the case. Mathematics is the universal language of our universe. It underpins everything from the physics that govern our world to the cryptography that secures our digital communications. Now imagine an AI that can not only solve complex mathematical problems, but also understand the underlying principles. That's a game changer. Let's take the example of nuclear action messages. These messages, which are critical for maintaining the security of nuclear weapons, are encoded with complex mathematical algorithms. If Q* can crack these codes, it could potentially read or even alter these messages, with far-reaching implications for global security. Now, let's turn to cryptocurrency. The value of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is largely based on the computational effort required to mine them, which involves solving complex mathematical problems. If Q* can solve these problems effortlessly, it could potentially flood the market with new coins, causing their value to plummet. These are just two examples of how Q*'s mathematical prowess could have a profound impact on our world. From finance to national security, from science to technology, there's hardly an area that wouldn't be touched by such a development. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. These are still early days, and much about Q* can indeed solve complex mathematical problems. The world as we know it could change dramatically. The potential implications of Q is an advanced form of Q learning. It could signify a monumental leap in AI's ability to learn and adapt autonomously in complex environments. This could open doors to resolving a whole new set of problems that were previously thought to be out of reach for artificial intelligence. Imagine the applications in sectors like autonomous vehicles. These machines rely on split-second decision-making based on ever-changing conditions. An advanced form of Q learning could enhance the ability of these vehicles to react to their surroundings, improving safety and efficiency. But it's not just about vehicles. The potential of Q* are as far-reaching as they are profound. This could even change how we approach problem solving. With AI systems capable of learning and adapting at this advanced level, we could see a shift in the balance between human and machine intelligence. It might not be long before we're turning to AI to solve some of the most complex problems facing our world today. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While the potential of Q* comes from rumors and speculation, until we have concrete evidence of its capabilities, it's best to approach the subject with a healthy dose of skepticism. Still, it's hard not to be excited by the possibilities. If Q* reaches far beyond what we can currently imagine, despite the concerns, Q* could offer immense benefits. Let's delve into the potential boons this breakthrough could bring. First off, Q is indeed a next-level form of Q learning, or the Q algorithm. It could mean AI systems that solve complex problems more efficiently. Imagine an AI that can tackle and resolve issues in a fraction of the time it currently takes. This could revolutionize sectors like healthcare, finance, and environmental management, where problem solving is paramount. Next up, let's talk about efficiency. Efficiency is the name of the game in today's fast-paced world. Every second, every resource matters. An advanced Q* could potentially streamline operations, optimize resource allocation, and cut down on wastage across various industries. It could help us achieve more with less, a mantra that resonates with our sustainability-focused world. Another exciting potential benefit of Q* could be a step in that direction, paving the way for AI systems that work seamlessly with humans, enhancing our capabilities rather than replacing us. Last but not least, Q* could be the key to unlocking new levels of automation. From manufacturing to services, every sector could stand to gain from AI that can learn, adapt, and operate autonomously. However, it's important to remember that these are potential benefits. The actual impact of Q* will depend on several factors, including how it's developed, implemented, and regulated. It's a delicate balancing act between harnessing the power of AI and ensuring it doesn't spiral out of control. The promise of Q* is as exciting as it is daunting. As we stand on the cusp of what could be a major leap in AI technology, it's crucial that we tread carefully, ensuring that the benefits outweigh the risks. Another intriguing aspect of QStar is its rumored ability to create synthetic data sets. Now, this is a game changer. Imagine an AI that doesn't need humans to spoon-feed it data. An AI that can generate its own data, learn from it, and continue to evolve. This is a significant departure from the current state of AI, where we humans must painstakingly curate and feed data to our AI models. The implications are profound. With QStar, we could potentially see AI systems that learn and adapt at a pace that is far beyond what is currently possible. No longer waiting for humans to provide the next set of data, these AI could potentially outpace human learning, creating a new dynamic in the world of artificial intelligence. This self-learning capability could mark a significant step towards true AI autonomy, but like every step towards progress, it raises new questions. What will such autonomy mean for us humans? How will we ensure that these self-learning AI systems adhere to our ethical standards and societal norms? The quest for answers continues as we delve deeper into the enigma that is QStar. Like any technological advancement, QStar comes with its own set of risks and concerns. One of the most pressing issues is the ethical and safety implications surrounding the use and potential misuse of Q could be used in ways that may not align with societal norms and values. For instance, if it can indeed solve complex mathematical problems independently, there's a risk that it could be used for nefarious purposes, such as hacking encrypted systems or manipulating financial markets with potentially disastrous consequences. Next, we have the issue of privacy and security. As QStar potentially being able to generate its own synthetic data, the lines between real and synthetic information could blur, raising significant privacy concerns. Then there's the economic impact. If QStar can indeed perform tasks more efficiently and effectively than humans, it could lead to job displacement in sectors where AI might be more cost-effective. While this could lead to economic growth on one hand, it could also exacerbate income inequality and lead to social unrest on the other. Finally, we come to the issue of AI misalignment. This is the concern that AI, like QStar, may become so advanced that it pursues objectives that are not aligned with human interests. This could happen if the AI's objectives are not clearly defined, or if it learns and evolves in unpredictable ways. In conclusion, while QStar, the pursuit of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, has become the holy grail of AI research. AGI refers to a type of artificial intelligence that possesses the ability to understand, learn, adapt, and implement knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human brain. It's a concept that has fascinated and challenged researchers for decades, promising a future where machines can think and learn autonomously, without specific programming for each task. In this quest for AGI, OpenAI's rumored QStar, or Q, is it an advanced form of Q-learning, a method where AI learns to make decisions through trial and error, or is it a component of the Maryland Refutation Proof Procedure System, a sophisticated method for theorem proving in AI? The answers to these questions remain shrouded in mystery. However, one thing is certain: if QStar does indeed represent a significant advancement in AI's ability to learn and adapt autonomously in complex environments, it could bring us one step closer to realizing AGI. But here's the catch. As tantalizing as the pursuit of AGI may be, it's not without its risks. An AI with the ability to think and learn like a human could have far-reaching implications, both beneficial and potentially detrimental. It's a delicate balance between progress and caution, innovation and ethics. Whether QStar brings us closer to AGI or not, it's clear that it represents a significant milestone in AI research. It's a testament to the incredible strides we're making in this field, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and venturing into uncharted territory. It's an exciting time to be at the forefront of AI research, and we can't wait to see where this journey will take us next. So, what does the future hold for QStar? As we look towards the horizon, the potential developments surrounding QStar remain shrouded in mystery. However, what we do know suggests that QStar could be a game changer, not just for AI, but for numerous sectors of our society. Imagine a world where complex problems are solved with unprecedented efficiency, where AI systems can navigate intricate environments autonomously, adapting and learning from their experiences. This could revolutionize fields like healthcare, finance, and environmental management, ushering in a new era of innovation and progress. But, as with any significant advancement, the journey ahead is not without its challenges. It's crucial that robust safety measures are in place and that ethical considerations are prioritized to ensure that the development of Q-Star aligns with the best interests of humanity. The future of Q-Star will resonate far and wide, potentially altering the landscape of AI as we know it. Only time will reveal the true potential and implications of Q-Star. As we conclude our exploration of Q-Star, from its potential origins in Q-learning or the Q algorithm to its rumored ability to solve complex mathematical problems, we've examined the potential implications of this breakthrough, from its potential to revolutionize industries and enhance human-AI collaboration, to the ethical, safety, and economic concerns it raises. The potential of Q-Star to generate its own synthetic dataset, learning and improving without human intervention, is a tantalizing prospect. Yet, it's also a reminder of the need for robust safety measures and ethical guidelines in the era of advanced AI. We've also pondered the place of Q as a step towards this elusive goal remains to be seen. What's certain is that this development, shrouded in mystery and speculation, has sparked a global conversation about the future of AI. As we look ahead, the potential of Q-Star to enhance problem-solving and efficiency in various sectors, from healthcare to environmental management, is immense. Yet, we must also be mindful of the risks it poses, from privacy and security issues to the potential for AI misalignment. In the end, the story of Q** is a reminder of the thrilling yet daunting frontier of AI research. It's a journey filled with potential breakthroughs and challenges, with each development bringing us a step closer to understanding the true potential of AI. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing journey into the mystery of Q-Star. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video to keep the conversation going.